Hello, welcome to ITI India Technical. Like every year, this year also got new notification from Indian Air Force. Total around 300 posts are there. All posts are officer cadre posts. Let us look at notification about age, qualification, exam pattern, apply online, medical test and training. Before that, who does not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. This will give you a new updates from our channel. Now look at first point. Indian Air Force invite Indian citizen, men or women, for technical and non-technical branches. Online exam conducted by AFCAT. Approximately date are given here: 28th August 2021, 29th August 2021, 30 August 2021. Do not skip the video. Stay tuned until the end. Then only you can fully understand about the notification. Next, third point is there: entry, branch, course number and vacancies. Three entries are there: AFCAT entry, NCC special entry, meteorology entry. First, we are discussing about NCC special entry. C certificate holder from the National Cadet Corps, they are apply through the NCC entry. Second one, discuss about meteorology. Who are completed the PG in meteorology, they can apply through this entry. Here next entry is Air Force Common Admission Test. Here branch is flying branch. In this flying branch, two commission is there. One is the permanent commission and next one is the short service commission. Here SSC is a short service commission for men and women in flying branch through AFCAT entries. Here the course number is there and vacancies are SSC, that nothing but a short service commission vacancies are 96 here. Ground duty technical, PC for men and SSC for men and women. This is nothing but a course number for both PC and SSC, and here the post code vacancies are there. AE nothing but aeronautical engineering, L is the electronics. Here post are PC 20 post, SSC 78 post is there. AE nothing but aeronautical engineering, M for mechanical. Here also PC 8 post and SSC 31 post. Here ground duty non-technical. Here also same, PC for men and SSC for men and women. Here the course number code is there. Here vacancies, here administrator, administration, PC is 10 post are there, SSC 42 post is there. And education department, PC is a 4 post are there and SSC is a 17 post are there. Here NCC special entry, flying cadre, PC for men, SSC for men and women. Here the course code, and here the special reservation 10 seats out of CDSC. CDSC nothing but a Chief Defence Staff of Indian Armed Force. Vacancies for PC and 10% seats for AFCAT. Vacancies for SSC. Next entry, meteorology entry, ground duty non-technical. Here PC for men and SSC for men and women. Here the code of both posts, meteorology PC for 6 posts are there and SSC for 22 posts are there. Disclaimer: here vacancies may increase or decrease according to the Air Indian Force. Here note is given there. Up to training is starting from July 2022. Next point, fourth point, type of commission. Here we go through first commission, permanent commission, PC for men. Candidate joining as a PC officer would continue to serve till the end of superannuation in their respective branches as per their rank. It means permanent total is around the up to retirement he can serve in this PC commission. Next one is short service commission, SSC for men and women. Here one thing is, in flying branch the 14-year only the candidate taken, and it's not non-extendable. It's a non-extendable. Up to 14 years only he can do the job. Next in that ground duty, technical and non-technical, his period is only 10 years. It may be extended for 4 years on the service requirement, availability of vacancies and willingness. Fifth point, eligibility condition, nationality. Candidate must be a citizen of India as per the Indian Citizen Act 1955. Age, flying branch through AFCAT and NCC special entry 20 to 24 years. Ground duty, technical and non-technical 20 to 26 years. Here marital status. If you are below 25 years, you are already married, thus condition you are not supposed to eligible for this post. And if you are below 25 years, widows, divorce, even though you are not eligible for this post. That means up to 25 years you are not supposed to marry. Then only you have to apply this post. If you are married after the written test exam, then only you are disqualified. If you are above the 25 years age, then you have to married. Here date of birth only accept from the matriculation. If the date of birth is not given in matriculation certificate, only age is given, then that condition you go through your school principal, then you take one certificate of date of birth certificate which officially stamp and signature. Next we go through the educational qualification, flying branch. Here the candidate must and should pass 50% marks in maths and physics at 10+2 level and graduate with minimum 3 years from any recognized university, minimum 60% marks, or if he is done the BE BTech, then that degree is going to do the 4 years course and from the recognized university minimum 60% marks. For ground duty, technical branch, educational, here the same minimum 50% marks is there. Physics and mathematics is compulsory at 10+2 level. Then it is the technical background, then you have to complete 4 years degree of technical engineering with applied electronics instrumentation, communication engineering, computer engineering and technology, computer engineering and applications, computer science and engineering technology, electrical and computer engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electrical engineering. Here we go through aeronautical engineering, mechanical, then same you have to minimum 50% marks in each physics and mathematics at 10+2 level and 4 years degree BE or BTech from recognized university with minimum 60% marks. Here the aerospace engineering is eligible, aeronautical is eligible, aircraft maintenance engineering is also eligible, mechanical engineering automation, mechanical engineering production, mechanical engineering repair and maintenance. Here ground duty on non-technical branches. Here administration pass with 10+2 graduate minimum 3 years degree course and minimum 60% marks. Here meteorology entrance passed plus 10+2 post graduation. Here have to complete PG post graduation in meteorology only. Then the science stream, mathematician stream, statistic, geography stream, computer stream, they are eligible for this and minimum 50% marks aggregate all papers put together. Provide maths and physics were studied graduation level with minimum 55 marks in each subject. Here note, for this post only who can study like 10+2 then degree, they are only eligible. If after the 10 you can enter into ITI or you can enter into diploma, they are not supposed to eligible for this post. For a non-technical, 2 seats are reserved for law qualified candidates in ground duty. How to apply? This website is given in the description. Go through that and click on that and log in it. Register here ID, password and fresh login. After that, fill in details of personal information, save and continue, fill in details and qualification details, fill in details course preference, fill in details communication details, upload documents, select the exam city center and declaration and save and continue and make a payment. Here one thing, from AFCAT candidate only, after the 9th August 2021 you have to download admit card. If you are not supposed from, you can download from this website. If you are not supposed to download from this website admit card, then you can query for this phone number, who the phone number is given here. The two phone numbers you have to query, and if you are not supposed to get the phone number, you can email this mail. Next point is examination fee. Examination fee is 250 for AFCAT entries, but not applicable examination fee for NCC entries, special entries and meteorology entries. Here one more thing, if you are government employee, you compulsory get NOC. Here exam schedule is there. AFCAT EKT is nothing but a technical, engineering technical. This is nothing but a AFCAT. Both conduct for engineering background who have technical background, they get 2 exams is there, and non-engineering, non-technical background only 1 exam is there. Here the timetable according to the 28 August 2021 first day, 29 August 2021 second day, 30 August 2021 third day. Is there 2 shifts are there, and the candidate reporting time is there, verification ID time is there. Here we go through the syllabus. Here syllabus is for the AFCAT general awareness, verbal ability in English, numerical ability, reasoning and military aptitude test. This test duration is 2 hours, number of question is 100, maximum marks is 300. For EKT, for the candidate with one of those choice of technical branches, who are belongs to technical branch, the subject is mechanical, computer science and electrical and electronics. Duration for 45 minutes, number of questions is 50, total maximum marks is 150. Here one thing, that online exam consists of objective type questions and in only English for both AFCAT and EKT exam. Here go through mark scheme. If you are get right answer one thing, then you will get 3 marks for 1 right and 1 marks deducted from the 1 incorrect, and no marks for unattempted question. Here go through the syllabus in details. First, in syllabus, exam English comprehension, error detection, sentence completions, filling of the correct words, synonyms, antonyms and testing of vocabulary, idioms, phrases. Here general awareness, history, geography, civics, politics, current affairs, environment, basic science, defense, art, culture, sports and etc. Here numerical ability, decimal fraction, time and work, average profit and loss, percentage, ratio and portions, simple interest, time and distance, train and boats. Here special reasoning and military aptitude test is verbal skills and spatial ability. Here one thing is special here, online practice test available in this website. You can go through this practice and online test before the going to exam on this website. Here physical fitness, first one, tattoos. Who having permanent tattoos on the body, they are not eligible for this post. Narcotics, nothing but who are taking the drugs, they are also not eligible. If you are taking drugs, you have going to there and test in medical test. After the completed the exam, in document verification you have to take all the original matriculation secondary school certificate, mark sheet issued by the CBSE, ICSE, state board, any board, and original mark sheet of certificate 10+2 issued by that relevant board. And you, if you are taking the original provisional graduation certificate, post graduation certificate, if you are applicable for original NCC certificate, C certificate only, then only you can apply for NCC. After the final list, you are going to get the training. Here you go through it. For the training, first you go the ground technical branch, 74 weeks training, and non-technical branch 52 weeks training. Next, go through here physical condition. You have to go daily for running up to 4 kilometers in 15 minutes, skipping, push-ups, sit-ups in 20 each, minimum 20 each, chin-ups 8, rope climbing 3 to 4 meters, swimming 25 meters. Here one thing, general physical assistant is most important here. Fitness is top priority for this post. If your body in any injuries like spine injuries, nerve injuries, colloids, psoriasis, but anything, if you have in the body of birthmarks like a hypopara, then also you are not eligible for this post. Here go through physical standard for female. Flying branch 162.5 centimeters, other branch 52 centimeters. If you are high BP pulse, then you are not supposed to eligible. If you are high blood pressure, even though you are not supposed to select this post, you have to reject. And thank you. If you have any doubts, you please mention in the comment box. I can reply you. Thank you very much.